All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to graph these and see where they cross the x-axis. So, because remember, let me read the question first. The question says, match each quadratic with its solution set. Well, the solutions are the zeros and they're the zeros, they're also the x-intercepts. Okay. So if I graph the zeros that where it crosses, I should be able to get it. So let's just do ones, and I see that 3 of these are set equal to 0. So that should be pretty easy. So I'm going to turn on my handy dandy calculator real quick. And I'm going to come in here and I'm going to clear this out, clear this out, clear this out, clear this out. And the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to do this 2. No, I don't want to go up because I got the dotted thing. I mean, I can go up 1, but see this? Now I got to fix this. I was using this for another class. I didn't do the solid line, but that's okay. We can do that. There we go. So the first one is 2x minus 32. So I'm going to say 2x squared, 2 x squared minus 32. And because it's already set equal to 0, if I hit zoom and I go to standard, which is the 6th option, it looks like it crosses at -4 and +4, right? So that means that this one goes here. 2x squared minus 32 equals 0. Okay. Let's do the next one. So the next one is 4x squared minus 100. So let's do that real quick. Y equals 4x squared minus 100. Graph that real quick. It might be 5 and 5. 5 and -5. Yep, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crosses right here at -5. This one, if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, crosses at +5. So this next one goes here, 4x squared minus 100 equals 0. Another way that you could look at this that might be pretty easy is what if I did this? What if I take this next one and I say x squared minus 55 equals 9? Could I add 55 to both sides? Yeah. And that gives me x squared equals 64. Wait a minute. If I take the square root of both sides, what's the square root of 64? Plus or minus 8. So this one is x squared minus 55 equals 9. That one's right here. And then the next one, we could do the same thing. So I'm going to say x squared minus 140 is equal to -19. I'm going to add 140. Oh, I know what this one is already, but let's finish the math. This is the last one. I've got x squared is equal to 120. 140 minus 19 is 121. What's the square root of 121? Does anybody know that off the top of their head? 11, yep. Plus or minus 11. So that's this one right here. So we're going to say x squared minus 140 equals -19. And then this one, I guess we just don't use. That's just an extra one. Okay? Any questions on that? That one pretty easy.